Today we are going to make a very popular dish among the youth. You must have seen this in all the restaurant menus. We are going to make Peri Peri Chicken. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Ready Steady Eat and press the bell icon. First, we are going to prep the chicken, for which we need to take a chicken leg and make gashes in it. Like so. Let's take a mortar pestle and add in sugar, citric acid, red chili flakes and mixed herbs and crush it well until it's coarse. Just like this. Now in a bowl, add in red chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, black salt, and crushed spices and mix well. Now add in lemon juice and olive oil and mix well. Our Piri Piri sauce is ready. This is the perfect texture. Now let's add chicken legs and marinate them using our hands. Make sure to apply masala all over and inside the gashes as well. And keep it aside for 30 minutes. Now in a baking tray, add in olive oil and spread it across. Place the marinated chicken legs and bake at 160 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. If you don't have an oven, just cook it in a pan on both sides until the chicken is cooked. This is ready, and serve and garnish it with coriander sprig and lemon. The spicy and healthy Peri Peri chicken is ready. Wasn't this so simple to make? I'm sure you will love it, and don't forget to leave a comment below.